My name is Abed Alrahman, a robotics engineer from Gaza. In 2023, we lost our workshop to the war, but not our dream. From a small workshop, we built educational toys for children.
3, 2, 1, stop!
We reached over 5,000 kids in Gaza and partnered with 32 schools and 50 summer camps. Today we're rebuilding CleverToys in Egypt, designing and manufacturing our kits, and delivering them to children in Gaza, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Europe. With your support, we can rebuild our workshop and deliver hope through play. You're not just buying a toy, you're building a future. Back us now on Kickstarter, and help us open the door to a brighter future for our children.